Try with your own support to lift your right leg up. Can you?
No.
Check it. Check it. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Relax. Bas. क्या हुआ?
This is so good.
Bas. Stay there. Relax more.
Oh.
Bas. Bas. Relax more. Bas. Relax. Bas.
Please.
Exhale. Exhale. Body loose.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Bas. Relax.
Oh.
You try to lift that up. Compared to before, you see the difference? Try the other one.
You're not using the my support.
And I'm able to release it.
You get it?
Yeah.
You see the difference? That's why I made you do that before and after. So you understand how your spine has changed now. So the new normal is better than what you think was normal.
Yeah.
Okay? Feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you see the difference, okay?
Oh.
Yeah. This has gone down. That's why she has this pain here. And also, do you feel pain here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a pinch nerve here as well. So this one is here and this one is here. There's a big difference. Relax it more. Good. Relax it more. Relaxed. Yeah.
Struggle is real.
She was literally pulling me before.
This hand's better than this hand.
This one?
Yeah.
Now it is. So, see your shoulders now. थोड़े से ऐसे हो गए. We're going to create this, okay? And we're going to maintain this. Let's move. Bas. Done. Sleep. Bas. Bas. Done. Relax. 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 Let it go. Bas. Earlier it was like this. Now you see this.
Yeah.
This gap is created, which is good for us to maintain it at the back. Okay. Bas. Do your ears.
Oh.
Done.
This is the
Oh.
Done.
Oh.
Inhale. Exhale. Bas. Okay, 90 degrees. Ask her, do you feel your scapula here?
Yeah.
Okay.
first it was like this.
Yeah, see now? She can
Yeah.
feel it.